Hello everyone, welcome to Marco Insights. Today we will learn international business etiquette and customs. Conducting business with people from other culture means being aware of how they do things differently. Hence, remaining adaptable to local protocol and etiquette is also essential. How you accept a business card or what you order for lunch can make or break that deal. Let's start knowing a few of them from around the world. First is Japan. The business card is held in a very high regard in Japan. It should be printed in both English and Japanese. It is critical to pass it out with both hands with Japanese side facing up. The business card should never be written or played with during meeting as both are signs of disrespect. Most senior person generally speaks and subordinates hardly speak. Hence senior most person from our side should lead too. Learning Japanese phrases is considered polite and bowing down is the most common greeting. Second is UAE. In Middle Eastern countries, the left hand is considered unclean and used strictly for bodily hygiene. It is important to eat, shake hands and pass documents with right hand only. Using the left hand to do any of those is a sign of disrespect. Use title or surname until invited to call them by their first name in a message or conversations. They may answer text messages and phone calls during meetings, hence don't consider it being rude to you. They are relaxed and don't always stick to structure. You should give business card with the right hand having Arabic translations. Third is France. You are expected to apologize for your lack of fluency before engaging in further conversations. If you don't have time to learn French before doing business there, learning a few phrases or greetings can serve as a show of good faith. Do handshake with everyone. The business card should be given to the receptionist on arriving at a meeting. Communication should stick to business and remain professional at all times. Go into detail about discussing anything. Be prepared for lengthy meals in France. Lunch can last up to 2 long hours. Fourth is Italy. Business is often personal and relationship driven in Italy. Expect to spend a significant amount of time getting to know your Italian business partners and developing a relationship with them. Forming a foundation based on trust and friendly communication, you will find more success in Italy than a hard driving all business all the time approach. Negotiations can be lengthy as Italians spend time carefully evaluating any business decision. Meetings don't always require specific outcomes. Handshake with everyone. Kissing on the cheek by simply pressing cheeks together may occur once relationship is formed. Fifth is Russia. Being on time to a business meeting in Russia is of the utmost importance. Russians may show up as late as they desire and are unapologetic about it. The move is designed to test our patience. Do firm handshake with everyone while maintaining eye contact. Displaying Russian translation in your business card displays your eagerness to work with them. Russians are transactional by nature, so lack on side of formality. Hence, communications can be incredibly direct about business in business environment. Gift giving is common in Russia, but they will reject it a few times before inevitably accepting it. Now, sixth is India. Better be careful what you order for dinner or lunch. Those looking to make a good impression should refrain from digging into a juicy steak or hamburger. Since the cow is considered a sacred animal in India, some can consider it a sign of disrespect. Give business card with the right hand only. All documents should be passed with right hand as left hand is seen unclean in India. Gentle handshake with everyone. However, traditional Indian women may not shake hands with men. Asking about personal life is common here. You may even be asked about how much you earn. The word no is considered impolite. Hence, expect to hear a lot of maybes and avoid refusing things yourself too. Seventh is Brazil. Expect a complete invasion of personal space if doing business in Brazil. It is customary to stand extremely close and use lots of physical contact while talking. Hence, do not back away as you will risk losing out on a potential business relationship since it is considered disrespectful. Handshake with everyone. Women tend to kiss one another on cheek. Give business cards with Portuguese translation. Meeting in person rather than over phone or email is preferred. Don't feel offended if you are interrupted, as this is acceptable in Brazil. Meetings often run late, but it is considered rude if you leave early. Eighth is China. Better have a gift ready when you show up for a business meeting. In China, the customary tradition is that gifts are refused up to 3 times before being accepted. It is important to continue offering your present until it is finally taken. Handshake with everyone, starting with most senior and eldest person first. Give and take business cards with 2 hands. The card should be in spotless and clean condition. Study their business card immediately. Repeat their name and comment on their position to show interest. Face-to-face communication is preferred. You should respect elders and ranking hierarchy. Ninth is USA. Americans do not feel the need to first have a personal relationship with you to do business, if the business opportunity is right. Americans are generally very direct and want to quickly get to the point of a meeting. Time is money to Americans and they will use a direct approach to keep things moving. Do a firm handshake with everyone while making eye contact. Hope you learned something new in this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Bye.